આજે આપણે સ્મોલ ABCD શીખીશું. A for aeroplane, B for bat, C for car, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for hat, I for ink, J for jug, K for kite, L for lion, M for moon, N for nest, O for orange, P for pen, Q for wheel, R for rose, S for sun, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for violin, W for watch, X for Xmas tree, Y for yard, Z for zebra.